we'll just, okay, I think recording also started. Yeah. So today we'll just start about so what topics we are going to discuss and
Then again, anything
what
research
are
and
the
discuss this in
products
detail
we are
so
going
we can get that clarified. Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So SAP, I think so many of the people already aware of SAP, right? So where we use the SAP in the business, right? And also some of the people are new to SAP, right? So first of all, let's discuss about the what is SAP. So SAP is a one of the application software. SAP is a one of the application software here. On top of the operating system, on top of the database, we have to install this application. So SAP is not a database. SAP is not a operating system. It's not a network. So it's a application software. It's a business application software here, right? So the abbreviation of the SAP is like a systems and applications and the products in so business data processing here. So which means in your business, if you want to process the business data, so you need the one application, one system, one product like ERP product that is required here in your business. So to process the business data, so you need the SAP application is required here. So this application is the middle layer, which is the front end to the users, right? Users will log into the SAP application. They do the transactions and everything here, right? So SAP in 1972, it was founded. It was founded in the 1972, which means 53 years ago. So this application was developed by 5 ex-service IBM people, 5 ex-service IBM people. So German, they are from the Germany. So that's why the SAP application is not a Indian software. It's a German software here. So by default, it is available in the two languages. One is the English. Second one is the German. It is called the Dutch. So DE, right? So the German software here. It's a European multinational software company, right? It's a multinational software company in so German here. The company is the world's largest vendor of the ERP software here. This is SAP is the world largest vendor of the ERP software here. So it was founded in the 1972 as a private partnership, of the 5 ex-service IBM people during that time here, right? So it's a business application software and also it's a enterprise software. They are not only here the deployment of the SAP are it's not only on premises. We can also install on the SAP application on the cloud. Also we can install the SAP application on the hybrid model as well here. Hybrid model also we can install the SAP application here, right? So which means earlier we will only do in the on premises only. Then later the cloud terminal cloud also introduced it, which means we can also deploy the SAP application on the cloud environment as well here. And also the hybrid landscape also we can do it here, which means some services are in the on premises, some services are in the hybrid landscape. We can install it here, right? So the primary function of the SAP is for transactions. So the transaction software here, right? So the products. So SAP is just not only one application that can survey for the all the businesses and everything. So depends upon the business. SAP released the multiple products SAP released into the market here. Multiple products SAP released into the market here. Suppose example, if I name it, the some of the product is called the SAP ERP is one of the product here. That is the first one. Then after that, SAP S4 HANA. Then after that, SAP HANA. Then SAP CRM. Then SAP SRM. Then SAP so PLM. So then product life cycle management. Then SAP NetWeaver. Then, so they are the multiple products SAP released it here, right? So SRM, so CRM, PLM, ERP, the business one, right? So S4 HANA, these are the multiple, the full list of enterprise softwares are available here. Enterprise softwares are available here. And also they are the some business softwares also available here. The business softwares also SAP released. These are the primary products, the core products of the SAP. Coming to the business softwares of the SAP is here. SAP, the ADP, right? And also SAC, SAP Analytics Cloud, and also BW, and also we have the BI, and also C4C, and also we have the BEX, and also we have the BEX, and also we have the EBP Enterprise Buyer Professional, EP Enterprise Portal, FICO, GRC, BPC, ERP, S4HANA, HCM, and so success factors, right? So IT operational analytics here, manufacturing, cloud, so material management, and also MDZ, MDM, plant maintenance, PP, PLM. So they are the number of products, business softwares are available in the market here. So depends on the your business, depends on the business. You can use the respective business software or respective product you can use for the SAP here. Respective, so you can use it here, right? It's not limited to the one business here. It's a it's a not limited to the one business only, like it's only manufacturing customers they have to use the SAP software. Only the soft media companies they have to use the software. It's not only just one. It's a multiple industries they are serving, and they have the multiple products of available in the SAP. So suppose example, if you take the best example, if you take the Unilever, right? Unilever is a company, they have many products in the market, right? Unilever shampoos, Unilever soaps, Unilever chocolates, Unilever. So there are many products, right? So creams, ice creams, there are many things there in the market, right? So same as like here. So SAP also just not only one SAP application software, they have the multiple SAP businesses are there, so they can, so they are serving the all the industries here, all the industries here. So if I name it the some of the industries, what are the main industries SAP serving here, right? What are the main industries SAP serving here? So here if I talk about the core industries here, the retail sector, the retail sector here. So industries, what industries SAP serving means the retail sector here. So manufacturing here, and also the utilities, oil, gas, media, healthcare, banking, finance, shipping, airlines, right? Defense, right? Multiple MI products, industries. So they are serving. It's not like that. They are serving only just retail manufacturing side here. So SAP serving in the multiple industries. They are helping. Means SAP is helping to the multiple industries as well here, right? So some of the mid-size companies and mid-size enterprises, they will use the business one, and by business by design some other small softwares they will use it here, right? And also SAP recently they have introduced the cloud platform concepts as well here, right? So earlier we don't have any cloud platform and the framework concepts here. So SAP released the SAP cloud platform concepts also, which means you can also use the cloud platform offerings as well here. Cloud platform offerings also you can use it SAP side here. Suppose you don't want to use all these products, you don't need to install it, you don't need to configure it, then directly you can go for the cloud platform products already. BTP, the Rise with SAP concepts, you can use it here. Rise with SAP concepts also you can use it here. So now if I talk about the architecture of the SAP, so SAP, there are the legacy platforms here, right? R1 architecture, real time. R means real time one architecture, real time two architecture, and real time third three tier architecture. They are the three types. Now we have the, so these are the platforms here, legacy platforms here, right? So now we have the S4 architecture that we will call it as the S4 HANA. This is the advanced version of the your ECC ERP systems here, advanced version of the ECC and ERP systems here. So these all are the legacy, their legacy platforms. These all are their legacy platforms here. So SAP is not only in the application side, it's not only applications. As I mentioned here, these all are the SAP application products, and these are the cloud technologies and cloud platform. They are not only cloud, SAP, they are in the so databases also here. So they are in the databases like SAP so MaxDB and SAP Sybase and SAP so HANA database, and so these are the databases SQL Anywhere, Sybase. So they are the databases, means they are in the databases softwares also they are releasing. So not only just applications, so their databases also here. So before SAP releasing the databases, so SAP using the third party, some other company databases like SQL Server, so Oracle, so Max DB2. So these are the four. So these are the some other databases SAP using here. But SAP, when they started releasing the other databases also, all customers are using the this databases also. All customers are using the so this remaining databases also they are using it here, which means they are not only just application softwares, they are in the databases also. They are in the databases also. They are releasing it here, right? They are in the databases softwares also. They are releasing into the market here. So here we are not only just one team. There the multiple teams are involved in the basis application side. They are the multiple application software. If I talk about the team structure here, if I talk about the team structure here, so we are the basis team. We will do the administration core functionalities on the SAP side. We are the technical team, not the coding team, not the coding and everything here. We are the technical team here. We are the core team for the business to build the systems and to hand over, to support the systems and to handle the projects, performance, tuning. So all kind of activities we have to take care of here. So with us, we have the above team also available. They will do the development related activities and everything. And with us, we have the some functional teams also available. They will do the FI, CO, and PP, SD, right? So MM, and so AP, AR. So then, so the PP, production planning and plant maintenance. So they are the multiple SCM, supply chain management. So then, so they are the multiple functional teams also available here. So security also there is a separate team here. Previously, basis team, we are the basis consultant. We will use to do care of the security activities here. But but security is divided. So now security is the separate team, functional teams are separate, and above teams are separate, and basis teams are separate, and the end users who use the business, who use the applications and everything, end users also here. So we are not only just one person to do the this kind of activities. So with us, we have the multiple teams. They will log into the one SAP system. But one SAP system, they will log in and they will do the work, but first the basis team is the first person. They will do the installation of the SAP systems, then configurations, other post configurations and the deployment options. We will do it here. So here SAP basis team will play the very critical role. We are the technical foundation of the all the SAP systems. It will act as a operating system for the SAP applications, ensuring their smooth and so the smooth and the smooth operations and tasks to be executed in the systems here, which means without interrupting to the business, we have to monitor and we have to do the performance improvement tasks, optimizations. We have to perform the all the kind of activities in the we have to perform it here, right? We are the technical team, technical foundation here, right? Why? Because once we build the systems, remaining people they will log in and do their duties. They will perform it here. So we are the core members in the core team. This is kind of we are the core team here. So we need to do the 24/7 support. Depends upon the shift, depends upon the project, depends upon the company. But so we are the main team for the businesses here. Main team for the business here. So application we can deploy it in the either on-prem, as I mentioned here, or other application, we can deploy it in the cloud and hybrid landscape as well. Hybrid landscape also, we can deploy the applications here. So coming to the our SAP basis structure. So what are the things we are going to discuss here, right? The first one, which we are going to discuss about the implemented, there are the types of projects in SAP. They are the SAP, the types of projects are available here. One is the implementation project, right? Where we will build the systems, installations, designing, config, this one kind of things here. Then support projects, supporting side, once the implementation is done, once the handover is done, then what kind of activities we have to perform it here. That is kind of a support projects here. Then we will also responsible for so refresh projects, right? Refreshing the systems. And so then upgrade projects here, upgrading the systems, refreshing the systems here, right? So these and all the things we have to, like migrations, conversions, they are the types of projects in the area. We have the types of projects here, right? So in that we will perform the, our involvement is there in the all the projects here. In the implementation side, we have to take care of the SAP so activities, right? And support side, and also support projects, and also refresh projects, some also the rollout projects here, right? Rolling out the, so the company like country wise roll out the projects here, right? So maintenance project here, SAP, the maintenance project here, that the types of projects here. And so we have the migration project here. Let me, and also so integration project, testing project, integration and testing project here, and the cloud implementation project. So cloud side we have to do the project here, right? So they are the upgrade project here, upgrade project here. So these are the types of projects. Implementation means implementing, building the systems, designing and everything here. And so support projects, once the implementation is done, we need to support the same project until business is live. We need to do the support here. This is a lifelong projects. Refreshing the projects, refresh the systems and roll out the projects here, roll out projects. So some companies, they will not go live at the same time here. Countries wise, they will they will roll out the they will go live. So in that case, so we need to work on the rollout project, maintenance project here, maintenance activities like upgrades, then support pack upgrade, maintenance activities, migrating the one database to another database here, integration, testing, cloud implementation project, moving the systems from on-prem to cloud and upgrading the systems. So these all are the comes under the our scope of activities here, means we will involve in the all the scope of activities here. So coming to the class structure here, the class which we are going to discuss is about the, first we will discuss about the implementation project. Then implementation project, we will discuss about the designing the systems, implementation phases, what methodologies we have to use it here, how to do the SAP installations, how to do the sizing, and this kind of structure we will discuss, go live activities and all those things here. Then we will work on the SAP support project operational. which means how to support the systems, what are the topics will come, client creations, client administration, transports, background jobs, and work process administrations. So OS level troubleshootings and parameter changes, maintenance, all kind of work we do in the support side here. Support and upgrade project. We will do the upgrading the system, support pack upgrade, maintenance activities, planning the parameter changes, these and all the parameter changes. So these and all the things we will discuss in the our class structure here. It's not only SAP related structure, we are also going to discuss about the so database as well. So we are going to discuss about the HANA DB as well here. In the HANA database, we will do the HANA installations, HANA upgrades, and HANA SPS 08 latest version of the upgrade. What changes are happened in the latest versions? So these under the things DB refresh, system copy methods, and system upgrades, HANA upgrade, HANA HA, DR concepts, replication modes. So these are the concept will be covered in the HANA DB side here, right? So and HANA DB is required the Linux, then Linux administration also we are going to discuss what are the useful commands, why Linux commands which will be helpful to operate the SAP basis activities and everything, Linux commands, HANA database, SAP. So here we will discuss on the SAP NetWeaver part, NetWeaver systems, SAP ECC systems, and SAP S4 HANA systems also we will work on it here, right? So these are the systems we will go and HANA database here, SAP HANA database. So these are the our requirement. And here we will start with the basic to the advanced level. We will discuss all kind of activities, whatever the basis person will do. So everything we will discuss in the our regular projects and everything. Okay. So that is the course structure here. So daily we will go with the daily 1 hour. We will discuss daily. Our class structure is the 1 hour. So 1 hour. Then maybe it starts from maybe Saturday, or we will start from the Monday. So we'll start with the our actual classes here. So first thing we will discuss about the implementation projects. In the implementation projects, what are the things we are going to discuss? All those things will be discussed. And as part of this course, you will get the documentation, and you will get the SharePoint access to read the videos and everything. All the recorded sessions will be here, not in the YouTube. In the going forward, you will get the access to the all the so basic sessions to the here. So you can access the all the videos and everything from the my SharePoint access. So that is done. And you will get the Teams meeting, that is a meeting, and a daily 1 hour class duration is the 50 days. And also you will get the documentation server access as well. To practice the day one itself, you will get the server access to practice the SAP related installations and HANA, Linux, OS level, each and everything you will get it out. So same as like real time, whatever we do, similar things we will discuss in the our regular classes here. Okay, this is about the so small introduction about the our class structure, the way forward, and the first topics and our starting duration. Well, first of all, what is SAP? More details we will discuss in the our regular classes as well. It's a application software, PyOX service, IBM. More things will come in the our regular classes as well. Okay. So that's it for today. So any questions, anyone?